Bitcoin is breaking out, and so also the altcoins. We're gonna have a look into that, guys, and why we could see a very explosive week in front of us. So welcome everyone, my name is Alessandro. I'm here to update you whatever is going on here in the crypto space. I'm updating you whenever I am buying, I'm selling, I'm trading here in the crypto space, everything, guys. So this is all no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying and selling here in the crypto space with you. And of course, everything in this video is my own opinions and my own price analysis. Currently, I'm buying up into new hype, the low market cap coins that are very hyped and mentioned in different crypto websites as well, next to my own portfolio, of course, that I have with the tier 1 altcoins, and of course Bitcoin still over 90% of my whole portfolio, and Maxi Doge is one of them, a completely new degen Dogecoin that is upcoming, guys. If you want to get them, or also if you want some utility coins like the best wallet token that currently also is mentioned in different crypto websites, then check it out with the links in the video description. Here you're gonna find all of those coins. But now let's dive straight into the Bitcoin chart, guys, because as you can see here in the 4-hour time frame, we finally have this breakout here to the upside. We have finally a 4-hour close above $117,250, and this breakout is very important, guys, because in theory we could see here a nice big breakout into new all-time highs, and the potential target of this move could take us all the way up here. So we are breaking out right now, and this could take us all the way up towards $127,000 and probably even higher levels. So I think that we could see new all-time highs during this upcoming week, guys. It is possible because of this breakout, and even if it's happening during the weekend, keep in mind that the CME is closed here at $117,400. It is of course possible that maybe Monday or Tuesday we are seeing here a little pullback to retest maybe the new support and then have the final breakout to the upside, or basically the target to be reached in a not so distant future. Because over on the daily time frame, we are finally having again daily closes above the median line of the candle channels, the 9 and 20 daily moving average. So everything is looking great here. Also the indicators are shifting bullish again. We have the RSI above the 50 level, money flow increasing, and of course everything else also is now pointing out to the upside. So this is exactly what we want to see. The only thing that I'm concerning here a little bit is the weekly time frame, because of on my indicators you can see that we are about to cross a bearish. So this is something that I have to watch out right now, because even though this move is of course bullish and this breakout and we could see new all-time highs, etc., I think that the weekly time frame right now tells us if we should expect immediately here in the next coming weeks and months new all-time highs and just everyday new all-time highs until the cycle top, or if first we're gonna see a bit more sideways or down in the next coming weeks before we had higher. So this is what we have to look at on the weekly time frame. But based on the daily, everything is pointing out that we're gonna see an explosive week in front of us, and that's why I'm ready to trade this. Of course, you can also sign up to all exchanges that I'm also using, like Bybit, Binance, Phemex, Maxi Global. Everywhere you get currently very nice sign up bonuses if you use my links. Also here on Maxi Global, guys, if you're signing up, there is this Solana event going on right now, and if you create a new account with my link, you even have the chance to get some Ethereum at a very discounted price, so 90% off only if you create a new account. You can see that the current Ethereum price $4,200, and you can get it for $360 here based on this launchpad event that Maxi Global is offering right now for all people that are signing up right now with my link here in the video description. And then, of course, we have the altcoins breaking out, guys. We have Ethereum very nicely now pushing above this resistance, guys. And if we can close today above this resistance trend line, so far, as you can see, we never had one single weekly close above this resistance trend line. And if for the first time we're gonna finally break out here to the upside, then of course we could see here a monster move towards 10K and probably even higher levels. I'm very bullish for Ethereum. In my opinion, my price prediction for Ethereum is somewhere here between $10,000 and $20,000 for this cycle. And even here for Ethereum, if we go over into the indicators, let me quickly pull out here the indicators. So also here on the weekly, we are looking a bit toppy, that's for sure. And on the daily time frame here, the move is still going on. So even if we would see somehow another rejection here, or a bit more of sideways consolidation, or even a pullback here, maybe come back down to retest, for example, here the $3,300 and then move up to the upside, we would in theory create here a nice head and shoulders pattern at the end. And yeah, I think that would be of course healthy for Ethereum as well, but not necessarily. It is also of course possible that we're just gonna immediately break out to the upside. And also if we do here different price measurements, even if we would create these head and shoulders pattern, yes or no, doesn't matter. The breakout target would take us towards $12,000 here for Ethereum, which is of course also perfectly matching my targets, because those targets are not coming out of nowhere. Those targets are, first of all, the Fibonacci extension levels here, 1.5 and 1.618. And the last time Ethereum came very close to the 1.5 from the previous bull run top and the bear market bottom. And at the same time, here you can see also the previous bull run topped out here at this resistance trend line and got supported here at this support trend line. And if we connect them, you can see that this gives us this support and this resistance up here. That's why I'm coming to those targets. And Bitcoin, if we go over, you can see that Bitcoin is already trading up here. That's why I think that Ethereum is very much lagging behind. Ethereum is basically somewhere down here instead of being up here. And that's why I think that Ethereum right now is underperforming, of course, since many weeks now, almost years. And yeah, the altcoins will come back, in my opinion. And this will, of course, start once we have those weekly closes below the 50 weekly moving average with the Bitcoin dominance. Because you can see that the Bitcoin dominance is dropping now. And if here in the next coming weeks we are coming down, then this will mean that we're going to see a monster altcoin season. And you definitely want to be more in altcoins than in Bitcoin or in stable coins or fiat. Because here the altcoins will probably outperform Bitcoin. I mean, percentage-wise. Even if Bitcoin would go to 200k, for example, then of course the altcoins would most likely outperform even that. Because just of the Bitcoin dominance falling down. So I am bullish, guys. I believe that we're gonna see a very exciting time in front of us, and that's why I'm also buying into new upcoming coins next to my tier 1 coins portfolio that I have, because we have Maxi Doge very hyped right now. We have Token 6900 coming up. It's the next one after SPX 6900 that had also a massive performance here, now just going sideways more or less, and that's why I'm buying into new ones and not the ones that already gained so much. We also have this Bitcoin Hyper coming up raising over 8 millions, which is of course crazy, guys. This is currently the most hyped new one that everyone is jumping on board, guys, that everyone is buying. So if you want to get on board here on Bitcoin Hyper, use the link in the video description. Extremely hyped new meme coin, and also layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that is upcoming. This is currently the biggest one out there with 8 millions raised, of course. And also we have many articles now talking bullish about Bitcoin, of course, and also Bitcoin Hyper. We are seeing always also those new coins coming up whenever Bitcoin is of course bullish, and whenever the altcoins also are doing great. That's why I'm buying also into Bitcoin Hyper, guys. I have also Snorter, I have DXRP and so on. You can check them out here in the video description. Important is, in my opinion, right now during this altcoin season to not miss out on those huge potential gains that we can do here thanks to the altcoins, and also thanks to those low market cap coins that are upcoming. Of course, guys, everything is high risk here in the crypto space, so everything, no financial advice. Those are all my own opinions, my own researches and price analysis and predictions. So always keep that in mind. But if you want to get on board, make sure to be subscribed on this channel, leave a like, leave also a comment, whatever you want. Good morning, good evening, good night, whatever you want, guys, because of course I keep you updated every day. And also the more active you are, the more likely it is that you're gonna win in the next $100 giveaway worth of meme coins that we're gonna do as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers here. So make sure to be subscribed there, also here on X, TikTok, Telegram, BitChute, Odyssey, Twitch, and so on. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.